Welcome back, friends. Kolleri Lake is situated at Andhra Pradesh. Who is the CEO of IBM? Arvind Krishna. Dowry Prohibition Act introduced in 1961. Who is the chairman of 15th Finance Commission? N.K. Singh. Entomology is to insects. Double is to etymology is to what? Origin of words. 1 kb is equal to how many bytes? 1024. Which makes lime water milky? CO2. Headquarters of OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Paris in France. What is OLE? Object Linking Embedding. Who is the author of the book Republic? Plato. Doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Who is the founder of slave dynasty? Qutbuddin Akbak. Freezing point of water in Kelvin is 273.2 Kelvin. New President of America, Joe Biden. The first novel of R.K. Narayan, Swami and Friends, in 1935. Big Bang Theory is related to universe. The scientific name of banyan tree is Ficus bengalensis. Which state is the largest producer of gold in India? Karnataka. Total number of members in SARC? 8. Who is the CEO of Dream11? Harsh Jain. In how many times was Anglo-Mysore Wars held? 4. Which is the economic capital of South Africa? Cape Town. In which year the Indian National Congress started? 1885. Total length of the coastline of India? 7517 km. Which countries are free from malaria? Argentina and Algeria. Who is the first woman governor of India? Sarojini Naidu. Name of the solution when mixed with chalk produces milky white solution? CaCO3. In which state is the Dajikam National Park is located? Jammu and Kashmir. In which part fundamental rights are listed? Part 3. Real name of Mahavir? Vardhamana. The Golden Quadrilateral project was inaugurated by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Till 2016, total number of smart cities in India? 25. Commonwealth Games 2022 will be held in Birmingham, UK. Name of the co-founder of Ghadar Party? Lalkar Dayal. Name of the disease caused by deficiency of insulin? Diabetes. In which state Kudumbashree National Resource Organization located? Kerala. Functioning of smell is controlled by which part of the human brain? Olfactory lobe. New nuclear power plant in India is in Kakrapar. Which is the largest gland in human body? Liver. The theme of World Environmental Day 2019? Air pollution. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? Ascorbic acid. Who won the first Bharat Ratna in India? C. Rajagobalachari, C.V. Raman, Radhakrishnan. India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2020? 94. In how many years Taj Mahal was constructed? 16. Chairman of DRDO, Satish Reddy. In how many fields Nobel Prizes are given? 6. Kanai festival is related to which state? Chhattisgarh. Who is the chief guest for Republic Day 2020? Boris Johnson, Brazil President. Kalbelia dance belongs to Rajasthan. What is the symbol of methane? CH4. In 2020, Nobel Prize in Medicine is given to Charles M. Rice, Michael Houghton, Harvey J. Alter. In 1931, who is the President of Indian National Congress? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which country is first rank in Henley Passport Index 2020? Japan. Author of Kamayani, Jaishankar Prasad. Gobi Desert is in Mongolia. NASA was founded in 1958. Hardest bone of human body is mandible. Bogeybill Bridge is located in Assam. Adrenocorticotropic hormone is secreted by pituitary gland. Entomology is the study of insects. Full form of OLED, organic light emitting diode. Small box vacuum was invented by Edward Jenner. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Total number of members in IMF 190. Number of veto power nations in UN 5. Golden Quadrilateral Scheme is related to highways construction. Aryabhatta satellite was launched in 1975. ISRO was founded in 15 August 1969. Banyan tree scientific name? Ficus bengalensis. According to 2019 Forest Survey, percentage of forest cover in India 21.67%. Construction of Taj Mahal was completed in 1648. Founder of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. Kuchipudi is the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh. Total seats in Rajya Sabha 250. Operation Green is related to top crops, which means tomato, onion, potato. Highest literacy rate state? Kerala. According to Swachh Bharat Sarvekshan 2020, the cleanest city of India is Indore. First nuclear reactor in India, Tarapur Atomic Power Plant 1. Part 3 of Indian Constitution is related to fundamental rights. Beti Bachao Beti Abhiyan started in 2015. First session of Congress is held in 1885. Unit of force? Newton. Chairman of 15th Finance Commission? N.K. Singh. In 2021, Olympics will be in Tokyo, Japan. Swachh Bharat mission was launched in 2014. Name of the pass joining Srinagar and the lake? Banihal Pass. Trackball is which type of device? Pointing input device. Total categories of Bharat Ratna 51. India's 29th state? Telangana. Zojila tunnel project is in Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you, friends.